Hello, all you wonderful people, and greetings from the ATC building. Right now, the Japanese Coast Guard has surrounded this area to show a training of Coast Guard actually trying to stop pirates. You know they're pirates because they actually have a skull and crossbones flag. They are now firing weapons. They are firing upon the pirates right now. And it looks like they're going in to surround them. The pirates have surrendered, arms are up, and it looks like they're going in to apprehend said criminals. And the day is saved, and thankfully this is all just training, but it looks like a Hollywood movie just happening right here because the port's just lit up with boats and speed chases and people shooting at one another. But you gotta train somewhere, right? Well, as I just saw from the Japanese Coast Guard, you can do it, I can do it, we can all do it. Stay groovy and try not to steal anything from these guys because they don't look like they're up to any good.